Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got a new project video here for you. I'm going to show you how I made these Swiss Army knife style key organizers. I also have some in a little bit. The ones that I'm doing are going to be this rounded off one here, which I have in a couple different finishes, and I even 3D printed a few of them in various different colors. I don't know if you've noticed a trend in my videos lately, but it's been kind of a things to help you carry more stuff. I actually just created a product line called Carry More. Cool new logo that I did. And the whole focus of this is products to help you carry more stuff. And I've been selling these at a local market, and a store just picked them up today that just a few blocks from my house they're going to be selling them. So pretty excited about that. But now let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own. If you don't have a CNC machine, this can be pretty difficult. If you have a 3D printer, I will link the files for these also, so you can 3D print one if you don't have a CNC. All right, well, let's just get into it. I'm going to show you how I made these, and enjoy.
Nothing ever seen in a boy like me. I think it's been a long time coming. Drop me on a dime, count down from 3. When I hit the ground, I'm running. Leave me right below that lilac tree, waiting for my ship to shore. It's like you've seen a ghost, the ones you've seen the most. You've known.
When I hit the ground, I'm wrong.